Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Online for bookkeeping. First, understand that QuickBooks Online simplifies financial management for small businesses, making it easier to track your income and expenses. This powerful tool helps you maintain accurate records and gain clear insights into your financial health. You can access your data securely from anywhere, ensuring your books are always up to date and readily available when you need them most. Getting started with QuickBooks Online is straightforward. Begin by creating your account and selecting a subscription plan that best suits your business size and requirements. Next, connect your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions, saving you significant time. Finally, customize your chart of accounts to accurately categorize your income and expenses, ensuring your financial reports are precise and meaningful. Once set up, consistently categorize your transactions to keep your financial records accurate and organized. It's crucial to reconcile your bank and credit card statements monthly. This process helps catch any discrepancies and ensures your books balance perfectly. QuickBooks Online also allows you to generate vital financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet, providing a clear picture of your business's performance and financial position. To maximize your efficiency, leverage QuickBooks Online's invoicing features to send professional invoices and easily track customer payments. Also, explore the extensive marketplace of third-party app integrations. These can significantly extend QuickBooks capabilities, from inventory management to advanced reporting. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks and other great deals. Mastering these tools will truly elevate your bookkeeping, giving you more time to focus on growing your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.